Hello Cambly learners, it's me, Cambly tutor Yuri, and today we'll be going over modals. There are quite a few types of modals, but not to worry, we will cover some in today's video lesson and a few more in future video lessons. Today we explore modals of possibility. Modals of possibility are special verbs that we use to express the possibility of something happening. Maybe something happening. It's an important concept in English, and today we'll learn how to use these modals to talk about possibilities. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Modals are auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are kind of like helper verbs, smaller verbs that help to support the main verb in a sentence. So again, modal verbs are auxiliary verbs that help us express various meanings, such as ability, permission, or what we'll explore today, possibility. Let's go straight into exploring our first modal of possibility, can. Can is used to express general possibilities or abilities. For example, I can swim means I have the ability to swim. Here's another example. It can rain tomorrow means there is a chance of rain tomorrow. You see, we have the modal, which is an auxiliary verb, a helper verb, and it supports the main verb rain. Let's try next modal verb. Might. Might is used to express a lower level of possibility or uncertainty. For example, I might go to the party tonight means there is a chance, but I'm not really sure. So a low chance of something happening. It might rain tomorrow afternoon. So again, in our first example, or at least in this example, I might go. Might is the modal of possibility. It's an auxiliary verb, a helper verb for the main verb go. Might go. It helps the verb go. Next we have could. Could is very similar to can, but is used to express a more specific possibility or a past ability. For example, she could win the race if she trains hard, means that there is a specific chance of winning if she puts in the effort. Here's another example. I could go to the party if I finish my homework early. Again, could here means there is quite a specific possibility of going somewhere, but finishing homework is required. Now let's talk about may. May is used to express a higher level of possibility or permission. For example, it may rain tomorrow means there is a higher chance of rain. Another example sentence could be, I don't think I can go to the movies tomorrow. I may have to work tomorrow. And lastly, we have must. Must is used to express a strong possibility or a certainty. For example, he must be tired because he worked all night. Means it's highly likely that he is tired. There is a very good possibility. I don't know for sure, but there is a very good chance. Must. High possibility. One more sentence using must. He must be the tallest person in the room. Must. A very high chance. I don't know if he's the tallest, but there is a high possibility or probability. That's why I use the word must. He must be the tallest person in the room. So let's try one more sentence for each of these modals of possibility. Can. General possibility. I can speak 3 languages fluently. Might. A low chance of something happening. She might come to the party if she finishes her homework. Could. A more specific possibility. They could win the game if they play well. May. A higher level of possibility. It may snow tonight, so be prepared. must, a strong possibility or a certainty. He must be the shortest person I have ever seen. And there we have it, modals of possibility. I hope this is clearer now, what modals of possibility are, and what they mean, and how to use them. Modals of possibility, remember, are used to express the likelihood or the probability or possibility of something happening. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly, native English speakers like me. And you can take English lessons anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or your computer. So schedule your next lesson with me or any of our amazing tutors just using the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye.